Is your audio crackling, popping, or making distorted sounds in Windows 11? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix the audio crackling issue and get clear sound again. Solution 1. Select High Performance Power Plan. First, search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Make sure High Performance is selected. Next solution, change audio quality. Search for Control Panel again. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Now click on Properties. Click on Advanced. Select 16-bit Studio Quality. Click on Test to check your speaker. If the sound is working properly, click on Apply. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Then close the window. Next solution, update the audio driver. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your audio driver. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a model. Click on Next. Then close the window. Now right-click on the Windows Start button. Right-click on your audio driver again. Click on Search automatically for drivers. After the process is complete, close the window. Next solution, increase minimum processor state. Search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. Set minimum processor state to 100%. Click on Apply, then click on OK. That's it. Now check your audio again. The crackling and popping should be gone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.